Revenue is not cash. Revenue alone is not enough. In this video, we look at 4 Excel dashboards built as one simple business control system at sales performance, finance performance, cash flow with AR and AP, and marketing performance. You will track sales results, profit quality, cash exposure, and marketing efficiency, exactly as the opening graphic shows. We start with the marketing performance dashboard. This view shows whether marketing creates business results, not just activity. It tracks total spend, revenue, leads, conversions, ROAS, click-through rate, budget variance, monthly spend versus revenue, and channel spend versus revenue. The logic is direct. Spend should create leads, leads should create conversions, and conversions should create revenue. If acquisition cost is too high, the dashboard makes it visible. This is the first dashboard pack. The download reminder also appears on the final ending screen, so stay with it. In the next episode, I'll add 4 more dashboards: inventory and operations, manufacturing production KPIs, HR workforce, and customer support service. Now we move into the Excel workbook. The first key sheet is raw input. This is where the sample data is stored. The sample rows are only for demonstration. As shown on screen, you select them, delete them, and paste your own structured export in the same place. Structured export is important. This is not a paste anything and it magically works file. If your export has different column names, the dashboard may show zeros or incomplete values. That is expected. To fix it, open Column Mapping. This sheet connects the fields required by the dashboard with the column headers from your file. The standard field is what the dashboard needs. The user override header is what your export actually calls that column. After mapping, check Data Check. If the checks pass, the dashboard can be trusted. If they show review items, fix the data or mapping first. Now we move to the sales performance dashboard. This dashboard answers one question: is sales hitting the target with a healthy and repeatable process? It tracks total revenue, revenue versus target, salesperson performance, win rate, conversion rate, pipeline value, average deal size, and revenue trend. So you see not only how much was sold, but whether sales is under control. Next is the finance performance dashboard. The structure is the same. Paste data into raw input, adjust column mapping if needed, check validation, and then review the dashboard. This view answers the question revenue cannot answer. Did this revenue turn into profit? It tracks revenue, gross margin, gross profit, operating expenses, operating profit, net profit, and budget variance. This is where high revenue can still reveal a weak business, weak margin, or cost pressure. Finally, we move to the cash flow, AR and AP dashboard. This is where revenue meets payment reality. The dashboard compares incoming payments, outgoing payments, overdue invoices, accounts receivable, accounts payable, AR aging, AP aging, and the cash gap. The operational question is simple: will we have enough cash when payments are due? Well, the rule is the same across the pack. Paste structured data, map columns if needed, check validation, then use the dashboard for decisions. Watch until the end. You can download all files shown in this video for free from the link in the description. Leave a comment if you want a specific business example next. And subscribe to AI and tech tutorials so you stay up to date and do not miss the next dashboard pack.